Hello everyone, this is Reggie with ATeam Appliance. You can find us on Google Maps. You Google ATeam Appliance Snellville to find our address here inside the Unique Treasures building. 3635 US 78, Snellville, Georgia. And here are the owners of ATeam Appliance. What's your name, guys?
Antonio B. Williams and Sebastian D. Williams.
All right, and why should customers come and buy a washer and dryer from your business?
Because our dad fixes them. But sometimes they're not fixable. They give you a new washer and dryer. Yeah.
Awesome. And how would they take these home? They come and buy them and they just put them in the trunk of their car?
No.
Wouldn't fit, right? So how would they buy them?
We can't take them either because we're too little. And we need to go to college to get a driving license. So Mr. Gary delivers them.
Awesome. That's good to hear. And if they want one delivered, what number would they call?
678-615-8317.
Awesome. And say thank you for all your business and your support.
Thank you for all your business and support. And also the kids that come here, they can probably buy these toys.
So you guys got toys for sale too, right?
Yep.
All right. See you next time. Bye.
We'll see you.